Jesus is Lord. This short video is to address briefly the clip people send to me on social media. I'm not really a social media person, but one or two people have sent a video, some videos to me, and it's very embarrassing, very annoying. Trying to mock Mountain of Fire. Mountain of Fire is a church of Jesus Christ that is connected all over the world, and with good general overseer, Dr. Pastor Olukoya, a nice man that everybody knows in the whole world. They have not done anything bad by giving us a plot of land of there inside our auditorium. We are the one that approached Mountain of Fire. Our auditorium have gone round and that one is inside. And sometimes they need to close on time because of us. And they told us that this is not kind of thing they do often. But for the sake of Christ, the same God that we are worshiping, that they will give it to us. The praises and worship was already going on. As they are packing out, they are giving us the key, and a lot of people we are dancing already because it's the time of our praise and worship. So many people we are jubilating. Not that they are jubilating and mocking Mountain of Fire. And it's very bad that bloggers, because of the money you are making on social media, you will come and be writing things that are not truth, trying to bring us together. I know that General Overseer of Mountain of Fire is a matured man and a man of God. I believe this video will meet him well and he will understand. These are bloggers that are looking for a way to make money online, writing that Zion is mocking Mountain of Fire. People we approach, and they, out of love and out of the love they have for God and the work of God, they willingly say, okay, we should take over. Remember that God that is merciful is also a consuming fire. When you are writing nonsense, what is not true, to make Facebook money, it may attract costs upon you. Once again, I want to apologize to the Mountain of Fire General Overseer, all the senior pastors. I want to apologize for the embarrassment this may cost them. I sincerely apologize. May God bless you all.
The truth na ha mana ife Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwuru wezugo na ndị Zion na-ade jubilate because na ha gotara Mountain of Fire. Rather, ha na-jubilate because na ndị Mountain of Fire wee vacate ebe a lesi ha ye. Not because na ha na mock Mountain of Fire na lesi ha that space, but they are jubilating for the new acquisition. They are jubilating for the new space ha nwetalo. They are jubilating because na the Mountain of Fire kwetalo e hapụrụ ha that place. That is the truth. Mana due to na every news about Zion na agbaghara kere na ntị, ha bupụta format ka e wee instigate other churches against Zion. Ha bupụta format ka ife churches ji suppose ide enwe aṅụrị because na ha acquire church ọzọ. Ịghọtago? All those who emotional blackmail and emotional stories had to make sure he instigate other denomination churches against Zion ministry. Hamuhomi unablo Christians unadeje Zion. Kerifu yejimu go on the plumat and Zion nisi onani ono kabasimenti nyana parais. Yeah. Kerifu unangolo paracetamol no wisina wonyo so. Yeah. Instead ono ya de mangole na Zion, Mountain of Fire left that place out of love. I know that na church ya bachanya poeba ka ha wenye Zion ministry that space ebe ona ha no go ebe ha ono shop nje instigate ndị mmadụ against the Zion. Now for your pocket, now for na pocket. Now for your pocket, now for na pocket. Bruno ozu onye ọzọ n'isi hapụ na ife na-achụ unu na-achụ na ife na-achụ ndị Zion. Everything halala Zion megale ha halala ha ye nwangole okwano se ka ha ka ejegolu okwano se ka ha okwano se ka ha jegolu unu yeji we golie okwo unu okwano se ka ejegolu kutuoye una na unu eburie n'isi mana nke abu no church. It's none of your business. It's not as if unu care. It's not as if unu care. After all, o te unu ji achoka akutusia churches wori ero factory. So ọ bụrụ na church ọzọ dị acquire church ọzọ ka ekosi wee business ụlọ unu suppose uli ide ngangale na the other church run out of ife ha na-eme, which is not even so. They only gave Zion that space ka we find another place because na ha feel na Zion can need that area because of maybe inconveniences higher than one way or the other, higher than that church. Unu blue matter and isi on and unu. Go on and they dictate to remove the Zion. The Zion got left. One another one. Before you go be make a movement, interpret your movement. Before woku, interpret your woku no. Interpret your woku no. Bruno we see the Zion nisi kona wono. One day go get bar, we go get bar. Expand again, expand again. Mountain of fire happen out of love. Onwe hifunu yeme about it. Uwekwa na okwu, unu kuchi okwu, una emeshi onu. Next one, share this video. Darling.